Hello everyone. After a long time I'm creating this makeup look for you guys. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I hope you will enjoy this video. I started off by applying moisturizer all over my face. I nicely blended it, taking really good time to let the moisturizer soak into my skin. I suggest you all to even wear sunscreen after moisturizing. I just skip this step. To cover my dark circles and pigmentation, I would like to color correct it first. So I'm using a concealer brush to apply orange color corrector. Because if we directly apply foundation or concealer on areas that are dark, then it looks a little gray or ashy. So if we color correct and then apply foundation or concealer, then it looks more natural. I ended up using my fingers to apply and blend the color corrector because it worked better that way. I covered the pigmentation around my nose and mouth area with the orange color corrector. I'm blending it well so that there is a very light, thin and even layer of product. Here I'm concealing the color corrector with a concealer. So you can see I'm using very less product and blending it with a wet beauty blender. As you can see, I'm basically applying concealer only on the areas where I have color corrected. However, when I'm blending it, I'm also blending and spreading it to the other areas so that there is an even coverage. I'm using a loose powder to set the concealer in place. Moving on to my eyes, I am going to apply a light brown transitional shade on my crease, a little over my crease, like a little above my crease line. After blending it well, I'm taking these two shades only on the outer corner of my eyes, like say 1/3 of my eyes. With a clean brush, I'm blending the colors well. Especially, I'm trying to eliminate any harsh edges. I kind of messed up on this side. I came a little outside where I was supposed to place the color. Now I had to work on making both the eye look equal. So I extended a little bit on this side as well. and blended it somehow with the beauty blender, which already had a little bit of concealer in it. I'm using that clean brush. I'm taking the transitional color that I used earlier on this clean brush and kind of blending the edges again in hope of covering it up. Now with my finger, I'm applying this shimmery shade only on my lid. With finger, when we apply, the intensity of color is a little more, especially for the shimmers. Using a black and a dark brown color, I'm applying only on the outer corner and blending it with that shimmer so that there is a gradient look. Now with a pencil brush, I'm taking in the same dark brown and black color and blending it on my lower lash line. I'm finishing off my eye makeup with mascara. I'll be applying mascara only on my upper eyelashes. Moving on to my eyebrows, I am filling up the gaps between my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. Now I'm setting everything in place with the spoolie. Time for some blush to give a flushed look on my face. So I'm using a pink shade as a blush for this look. With whatever is left in the brush, I'm applying the pink color on my nose, a little bit on forehead and chin. I decided to do a bit of contouring on my cheekbone and nose to give a sharp look. With a clean brush, I'm blending the sharp edges of my contouring. Now I'm highlighting the higher ends of my face. That is only the pointy ends of the bridge of my nose and a bit on my cheekbone, eyebrow bone, chin, Cupid's bow, and a bit on my forehead. No look is complete without a lipstick. Being my favorite part of the makeup, I'm applying a nude color for this look. I felt like the finishing of my lipstick was not clean, so with the help of a lip liner, I am just making it more neat on the edges of my lips. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.